Essie happily and family. Fun gardening.
Hi, I am Essie Happily.
And I am Marcus.
And this is Marcus, you all. And today we are doing an unboxing. I did change my name to Essie Happily and Family.
And family.
And family. Fun gardening. So I did decide to incorporate more content because on my channel I wanted to be a vlog style where we talk about real life issues. I healed through gardening. I want to talk about something that just happened yesterday. Marcus broke my gardening heart. Why did he feel that I was not skilled? This is not about who's right or who's wrong, because my feelings was the one that was hurt. He have his right opinion.
Apologize. I may have reacted negatively and wrong, in which I admitted to.
As a gardener, don't allow somebody else's mood or somebody's understanding of what it means to be a gardener or someone defining your skill affect you. I want to teach how to heal in gardening. So it's fun gardening, it's healing through gardening, it's family garden, it's real life gardening. That's my message. That's what I want to be known about. You never know what you're going to expect when you come to Essie Happy and Family's channel.
Unpredictable.
Very unpredictable. Why? Because life can be unpredictable. I will hope that all the gardeners will come my way and heal with me, and then in the comments share in 2020 how have you had to heal. So I have seeds that was gifted to me. These seeds was gifted to me from someone on Facebook Marketplace. So if you actually go out and shop, then people may have extra seeds that they may give you. I actually have a gift from my baby sister that we're going to open. And last but not least, I won a plant YouTuber plant container giveaway. Garden Queen. I know. So in here it's fragile. I won't pick that one up now. For someone from Facebook, Mark.
We lost our razor blade, so yeah, we're using a power tool. We would not recommend utilizing this to open up a box. Put a whole bunch of tape on this, I see.
So yeah. Okay. So this is from our little sister. Now we see. T-shirt. I have a t-shirt. Oh wow.
Thank you.
Is that all that's in there?
That was all, folks.
I think it's something else in there. He just didn't go through it. So I'll check behind him. That's the reality in men. You have to check. So first. Oh wow. Let's see.
I thought that was trash.
Oh, Marcus is about to throw away the sign.
The most important thing. I'm sorry.
Marcus, will you marry me? Will Marcus marry me? Yes, and I want y'all to be here for this journey.
I have to say yes. You don't have to say yes.
I'm
yes.
controlling the movie.
Very yes. I will marry you, beautiful.
Aww. Thank you, Lori and Anna. Oh gosh. Essie Happy and Family. Fun gardening. Look at that. Isn't that so cute? So that's what she made us. Oh my gosh. That is so cool. And today was the day I changed my name on YouTube. So that is like really exciting. And then on the back it said, he said yes. Oh my gosh. Ta-da. That ta-da was so fake. But look, you all, I'm going to see if it actually fits. Let's see. Wow, it looks good.
It fits great.
Yes, it fits wonderfully. So,
Nice.
thank you, Loriana.
Muchas gracias, Loriana.
I really appreciate it. Next up, we have some seeds. Let's see. Inside of these seeds are spider plants. So we're sitting in front of my pink and white garden, and she sent me some pink annuals that I can put in the ground. May wait. I never got a package of seeds before. Marcus, what you said when you came? You was like, somebody sent some anthrax.
These are not seeds from China, folks, because that is a trend going on right now.
So Cleome seeds. Shake. Oh, I like the sound of seeds. Let me let y'all hear. Oh, I dropped the doggone seeds. You know, it's
I
my
love
first
the
time.
sound of money.
Somebody love the sound of money. So you all, these grow best in full sun. It can take some part sun. They can grow up to 5 feet tall, so as tall as me. I would hope mine would stay around 3-4 feet, and then I'll put it out there. And next year, that's my goal, is to have more perennials and annuals in my garden, because I'm going for a cottage style. Also, I have some cosmos here. So I'm going to put these in the garden also. Moving along to what I've been waiting for. I'll do this unboxing. And while you all wait, we can talk about, I wrote this down, what the goals are for this channel. And the reason why I changed my name to SC Happily and Family. There's a lot of gardeners that you can learn from, for instance, Garden Queen. And there's a lot of, I have favorite gardens channels right now. Patty's Guild, Richie. I don't want to really mention a lot of folks because they enthusiastic gardener. If I forget off the top of my head, it's probably just because my memory is horrible. But it's a lot of channels you can watch that will teach you how to garden. But since I healed through gardening, oh, she wrapped this really good. Marcus got it. Since I healed through gardening, that's a little loud. So I want to be able to talk about other topics also while I garden. I want to incorporate my family into it because in the future, I plan to have a youth curb appeal team for the summertime. I plan to also have a nonprofit helping elderlies deliver mulch and kind of do some of the things around the house, like cut down brush that they're probably not able to do with these muscles of mine.
Flex phone, y'all. Flex phone, baby. Flex phone.
It didn't break. It's a moss terracotta plant container. Oh, that's so cool. Nice. Oh my gosh. If y'all didn't know, green is my color. That's why my car is light green. I love green. That's why I love plants and money. Haha. So thank you so much, Garden Queen. Let me see if y'all can see this texture up close. Beautiful texture. She actually did prepare the inside of it also. She took extra time to...
It's a nice coating in the interior. Still kind of nice.
Yeah, that is. It's like, I don't know that feeling. But I know that it's ready for planting. So whatever she added on the inside of this is going to help me out. So I thank you so much. But I'm going to sit this in front of me because I want to look at it the whole time. And I fall. Okay, so there we have it. But right now it's going to be my water container. But also in this unboxing, I wrote down several topics that we will talk about. And it's going to get real. All right. So I want to talk about something that just happened yesterday. Marcus broke my gardening heart. But a part of the heartbreak, whenever you go through something in relationships, it's important to find out why you feel what you feel. Yes, the person can be wrong. So I'll tell you what he said. But find out why you feel what you feel. The main question was, Shaquille, what are you doing with your gardening? I offered my help to a man who had a beautiful home with a non-established garden. And I came home and told Marcus, and he asked how much will I charge. I drew up something real quick, showed him what I really envisioned with his home, and Marcus said, "You're not good enough to do that. You can't help him," is what his words was. It was some really, really hardcore things. And then for me to charge, he was like, "Whoa, that's a lot of money." So in my mind, I'm like, wait, hold up. I didn't even know he felt like I wasn't a skilled gardener. So let's talk about what is a skilled gardener. Marcus, what do you even think it takes to be a skilled gardener?
It takes going out into the garden every day, going out into your garden to keep ensuring that it's proper, ensuring that everything's blooming, making sure it gets the right amount of water, making sure it's in the right amount of sunlight. First, the message was misconstrued. Honestly, I was half asleep. So when she was telling me this, I may have reacted negatively and wrong, in which I admitted to.
So that goes to show that people can have certain type of feelings and emotions based on mood, based on the time of day, based on things that's going on in their life. As a gardener, don't allow somebody else's mood or somebody's understanding of what it means to be a gardener, or someone defining your skill affect you.
Right.
Because I had to still edit a video, which I put out, and some of you all have liked it. I had to still encourage myself. So where we're going from here, this is just a personal topic. I ain't scared of the garden community and anybody that wants to critique me or anything, because guess what, baby, I only got one life to live, and I live not just in my garden, I live in the real world. So that means I'm going to talk about some things y'all not going to agree with. I'm going to talk about some things that you may not even know that you will need in your lifetime, because the things that I've experienced, some people have experienced. But like Marcus lost a child, I haven't lost a child. I have lost limbs temporarily of my body. That's why I now garden. So that's my vision for my channel. That's how I plan to incorporate my family. In 2020, I take it a day at a time. Just like I didn't know I was going to be helping this man with his garden, I don't know to what depths this garden channel is going to come. But I expect to have more gifts, to win more prizes, for you all to one day buy our shirt that I designed and Loriana helps me. But I'm so grateful.
And this isn't an argument, this is just an open discussion that I feel that every couple, no matter the race or creed, should always, come together as a couple to rectify the issues they have in their marriages, in their relationships, in their entanglements, in whatever particular situation that they may be in.
Entanglements.
So we're all learning in this season, and we're all growing, because that's what life is all about, progression. If you ain't progressing, you just wasting up space. So.
That's real. And watch my garden progress as I heal, grow, have a ton of fun with my family. Bye-bye. Gardening. Marcus.
I healed through all other types of things dealing with tech.